I've been serving our community as a veterinarian for 25 years now. We consider your pets part of the family, and we are here to provide them with competent and compassionate care. We're here to get your pet healthy fast, with state-of-the-art equipment. Even a drive-through pharmacy for your convenience.
Our dogs have loved coming to Dr. Bob's for over 15 years. And we've loved coming to Dr. Bob for his dedication and quality of care.
We're back, serving the community that we're happy to call home. For all of your pet's needs, call or visit us on Facebook today. Dr. Lewis at Rosebird Veterinary Center.